Hello friends, Tanya here with day 6 of the Spellbinders 2022 Advent Calendar. Let's find box number 6 and we're going to open that up and see what goodness we have. Have you been enjoying these? Oh my. These unboxing videos. Here we have, it looks like another die set. Ooh. I think I know what this is. Do you have any guesses? What do you think this might be? Ooh, we've got a star, and it looks like we have a gnome with some pieces to build on the base of his body, and it looks like a balloon string and some little tiny flowers. I actually had time to put together a little video of the construction of these dies. Here they are on a magnet panel, and we're going to put these together. He is such a cutie. I did die cut the base out of brown. I had another idea of how I was going to do this, but I didn't ultimately need the brown. I've trimmed off the top portion of this blue die cut, and then I did trim off the white hat. Well, it's kind of a natural colored paper, and I'm going to add that behind this layer of red that I've cut the detail from the hat. It kind of looks like a mushroom this way. So I've got the little dots of white showing through the red, and the brown is really just acting as a base for all of the layering that we're going to do. I also die cut the beard from this oatmeal speckled natural tone, however you want to call this. It's kind of a cream speckled cardstock, and we'll put that right in its spot. I had taken the same paper and colored it with a Copic marker to make this flesh toned nose. And then we're going to add his little hands and his feet. They kind of look like mittens, and they look pretty much identical. I am using an embellishment tool to help with the placement. This is the pickup stick, and I'm using the precision glue, the Barely Arts glue, which is available in the Spellbinders shop. To add our little pieces here, it really helps with the precision of laying out all of these pieces. Here we've got his little shoes, and I actually wish I'd colored them a little darker brown. These were also colored with my Copic markers. And he's almost done. You can see that it looks like he's waving, or he could be holding something. And I have these balloon dies. There's a star-shaped balloon with this little shine mark. And I've die cut it twice, once with the white and once with the yellow. And I offset the little shine mark so that the white shows through. This star is symmetrical, so you can turn it that way and have the shine mark show through. I love that. Now we're going to add some little flower elements, and there's some little tiny stars here too. So I'm going to take the flowers. No, those aren't little stars. Those are flower. Oh no, there is a little star, isn't there? Wow, I can't tell from here. And it's been about a week or two since I've done this. I'm going to add a red center to the white flower, if I can catch it with my pickup stick. I just want it to be right side up. And I'll add that to that little tiny white flower. And we have some little tiny leaves to go behind that flower. I think this is going to look just adorable. And as you can see, it's not taking me a lot of time to assemble all of these pieces. I think I want to add the flower to his hat. I think that looks darling. Oh yeah. And then there's a little yellow star. I knew there was a star. And we'll add that to our little gnome also. I'm just going to use a little bit more of that glue, add a little dot, and add our elements to our gnome. Look at him. He's adorable. I can't wait to think of some projects to use him on. We did just have that happy birthday die and that beautiful element of border. So there's our little gnome all assembled. I hope you enjoyed that. And please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back again tomorrow. Leave me a comment to let me know what you enjoyed. Until tomorrow, bye-bye.